over a period of time.
See, again, it is something like instant gratification and delayed gratification. Right? In any relationship, in any business, in anything, what you have to see, what you'll get over, let's say 10 years. Over vis-a-vis what you get over very immediately.
Yeah.
Have you heard of the marshmallow experiment?
No.
You've not heard. I'll tell you, there's a wonderful experiment called marshmallow experiment.
Right.
Now, this marshmallow experiment, it was done in the 1940s in the US.
Okay.
You just watch it on YouTube, and it's a beautiful thing, right? What happened in that experiment was that they called some children and they gave them a marshmallow, and they said that if you don't eat it for 15 minutes, after 15 minutes, we'll give you 2 marshmallows. Right? Now in this, it is very clear. You just have to wait for 15 minutes and you'll get double. Now, this is a very clear proposition. The proposition that we are talking about compounding is not a very clear proposition. I don't know whether that my investor will stay invested with me for 5 years also for me to make money in the long run. I don't know, but fair enough. Right now, what happened in that marshmallow experiment? There were a lot of, and they videographed that entire thing, and when the child is sitting inside the room and all. So, a lot of children couldn't resist it and they ate it.
Okay.
Some resisted and they didn't eat it, and they waited for the 2 marshmallows, and they'll get 2 marshmallows. Just watch that video. It is such a cute video. Now you'll find children, the way children behave. What happened? They observed that the children who did not eat it, how did they resist? So what they did, they started doing something else. They started fidgeting with something else, or they just didn't look at the marshmallow.
Creating distraction.
They didn't look at the marshmallow, and that is how they managed to do it. So that is one part. Second thing is, now this experiment was carried forward for the next 40 years. Right? And they followed those children, the examples of those children, the life of that children for the next 40 years. And they realized the people who did not eat the marshmallow, they were far more successful than the people who ate it. Why? Because they could delay gratification. See, in compounding, what happens? Compounding is just, I'll tell you a simple example of compounding, like we tell to all our investors. It's slightly, there's some numbers involved in it, but I'll just give you some.
I like numbers.
Right? Now, there's a rule of 72.
Okay.
I don't know whether you're aware of the rule of 72. The rule of 72 says that 72 divided by your return is the number of years in which your money will double.
Okay.
Right? Now, let's say you have a FD today, gives you a 6% return, and we won't think of taxes for the moment. So, in 25 years, that FD will become 1 ka 4 ho jayega. It will become 4. Every 12 years it will double.
Okay.
After 12 years it is 2, and after 24 years it is 4. Let's say after 25 years it is 5.
Yeah.
Now, let's say you have you invest in something which gives you a 15% return.
Okay.
Right? Like, so the stock market has given a 15% return. Now, 15% return means that every 4.5 years your money will double. Let's say 5 years money will double. Every 5 years the money will double. Now, 5 साल के बाद 2 हो गया, 10 के बाद 4, 15 के बाद 8, 20 के बाद 16, 25 के बाद 32. Now, that has become 32 times in 25 years, whereas the return is 6% and 15%.
Okay.
Now, that is compounding. When something is becoming 5 in 25 years and something is becoming 32 in 25 years.
Yes.
That is the difference in wealth creation. That is what compounding does. Now, compounding works in everything.
Yes.
I'll tell you, let's say, I am always trying to lose weight.
Okay.
Right? Now, a simple thing. Let's say I don't eat, just for example, 1 chapati, half a chapati less I eat.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay.
Now, half a chapati means 50 calories.
Yes.
Right? 50 calorie means 1500 calories a month.
Yes.
It means 20,000 calories a year. Now, 20,000 calories a year, if I've got my calculations right, means around 5 kgs of weight.
Okay.
Now, by reducing my intake by half a chapati, it becomes 5 kgs in a
year.
It's as simple as that. But half a chapati, मैं बोलूँ कि छोड़ दो, नहीं छोड़ेंगे. That is what compounding is. And compounding is not only about money. Compounding is about everything. Compounding is about happiness. Compounding is about kindness. Compounding is everything. You be happier for 5 more minutes every day, and in the end, you'll always be happier. So it works everywhere. So compounding is a wonderful concept It's not a concept, it's a reality, which we don't realize.
Way of living.
It's a way of living. See, we don't realize it. Why? Because our thinking is always linear. It's never exponential.
Yes.
Our mind doesn't think exponentially. This COVID, why did this become such a big problem? Because the progression of the virus was exponential. एक दिन एक था तो अगले दिन within after 30 days it was like crazy.
Right.
I'll give you another example of compounding. Now, what if I tell you, I give you two choices, and I tell you, the first choice is I'll give you 1 crore rupees today,
Okay.
and the second choice is I'll give you 1 rupee today, and it will double every 30 days. It will double every day for 31 days.
Okay.
What will you take?
1 crore.
1 crore. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's calculate what happens when we double every.
Okay.
Right? When we start doubling every day, 1 का 2, 2 का 4, इस तरह से करके, on the 31st day, do you know how much money will that be?
No.
It will be 106 crores.
Oh.
Why? Because it is compounding. What is happening? Virtually till the 25th day, you are at a loss. But after that, the money starts doubling like crazy. That is what is compounding. And in every small effort that you do, in the end it will compound. Every good thing will also compound, every bad thing will also compound.
True.
An extra cigarette a day, if you smoke, right, will lead to a major issue 10 years down the line or 20 years down the line, and you may just not feel it that it's an extra cigarette. It's similar, all these kind of things. So compounding is something which we don't understand. Basically, nobody understands it. But if you understand it, and if you have the patience and the discipline, it can lead to crazy kind of results.
I think it's also like, the way we have been conditioned, the way we have been wired since the childhood. Like, I think our parents give us a lot of instant gratification. Okay, you do this, you'll get a candy.
Yeah.
Right. So I think we are wired in such a way that we expect reciprocation from
Immediate
the other person.
Immediate
Yes,
reciprocation.
Yes.
Yeah, we that is how earlier, but millions of years, let's say thousands of years ago, when a man was a hunter, right, and he had to hunt every day. So that is how it used to work. But now I think it doesn't work that way.
We have evolved in this kind of way, but we need to change the
We
mindset.
need to change
I
it.
want to ask, what kind of mindset do you need to, be in the process of compounding? I can think of being persistent, being disciplined, but how would you navigate through your life or through your daily life if you are in, if you know that your efforts would amount to something in the future, but especially in the Indian society, once you start something, you get a lot of criticism from all over even from your own people. What are you doing? Why have you started a business? Why don't you do a job? Go for a government job and everything. So how do you block those kinds of noises and what kind of?
Only thing is conviction. You have to be convinced. You have to have the conviction that what you're doing is right, and it will give the results in the long run. As long as you have that conviction, boss, I think it will work out in the end. And how do you build conviction? Conviction is built through learning, through knowledge. That is why in one of the chapters of the book I have said, learn. Just keep on learning. Don't ever think that you have enough knowledge or your learning should come to an end. So that is the only way to do it. And the road is not going to be easy. Right? Even let's say, just to give the example of the stock market, if I tell you to stay invested for 25 years, 25 years, the road is going to be like very, very volatile.
Yes.
But as long as you are convinced, that is why do people make money in property? Because they allow it to compound. आज आपने एक प्रॉपर्टी ले ली और आप उसको भूल गए, तो वो 20 साल, 25 साल, 30 साल के बाद आपने बहुत सुना होगा कि you must have heard कि I bought it for 1 lakh and sold for 1 crore.
Yeah.
And so why did it happen? Why? Because people bought it and forgot about it.
They were invested in
They stayed invested.
Yes.
And after 25 years automatically gave results. So similarly, if you allow anything to compound, it will give results.
Absolutely. So